Speaking of entertaining moments, Mark and I got to check in with Devica at Monogram, and she told us some of the best appliances for your entertaining.
If you're looking to renovate your kitchen, I'm so excited because I'm here with Devica from Monogram, and she's going to be talking to us about what's great in appliances. I fell in love with this fridge. Talk to me about this fridge.
It's easy to fall in love with because it's so flexible. And
Yes.
You and I were having a conversation about all the things that happen when you're entertaining and being very busy and
I think this looks stunning.
stunning and purposeful, because right now we have the stage for everything to make the ultimate pizza.
Yeah.
However, my fridge at home, not this organized. So, very special feature. We can actually dim those lights so that no one gets to see what happens behind the scenes.
So that's what we need in our house, just dim the lights, right?
Dim the lights and everything's a secret.
I actually like this too. You're talking about the fact that the drawer actually turns into multiple things. Like right now it's a freezer, but it can turn into something else.
A couple of things happen here. So, if you're entertaining, everybody likes to start with a cocktail.
Yeah.
Our middle drawer here is a freezer with an ice maker built in at waist level. So really easy access
there's
for
no
making
like
a great
bending,
cocktail.
awkward, you know, I saw more than I wanted to.
None of
type
that in a cocktail dress. That's not needed. And our lower drawer, you know, not everybody likes a cocktail. Sometimes you want to have a glass of wine.
Yeah.
This is convertible to be a fridge, a freezer, or a wine reserve. So lots
so
of
cool.
flexibility in terms of space.
And I see you have all these pizza ingredients, and I think you prepped a pizza for us, didn't you?
We did. I think we should actually do a little pizza cooking.
Let's do that. So what do we have here?
We are actually about to cook a Neapolitan pizza in under 2 minutes, if you can believe that.
Wow, so this is an actual indoor pizza oven.
Indoor pizza oven, handmade, custom built by Monogram.
It looks amazing. Now we're gonna check out another kitchen with Mandy.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Devica from Monogram, and we are talking entertaining in your kitchen. So, conversation in my house is usually around the fridge. Where's the fridge here?
We've hidden it behind this gorgeous, stunning, panel-ready louvered door.
That's amazing. I wish my fridge looked this organized all the time.
Yeah, mine doesn't either. First thing you notice, these integrated LED lighting making everything just a wow factor when you open that door.
That's amazing. Now, we've done the fridge. Let's go over and check out your stove.
Sounds good.
Now, Devica, Monogram has had a long-standing history, hasn't it?
It has. Monogram is now celebrating over 30 years in the marketplace.
I love it, and obviously your quality shows with items like this range, where it has a handcrafted finish. I love the flexible work surface.
You can choose how to set up the just cooking surface on any of our Monogram ranges and choose the configuration it comes in, 30, 36, or 48.
Amazing. Guys, this is what you need for all your entertaining needs.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.